what you wanna say to me now.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm gonna get started. I have already done my foundation. I've already done my eyebrows as well. As you can see, I'm just gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Long Lasting Matte Finish Spray. Jeez, they make these names so long. I'm gonna quickly go over my skin with that really nice hydrating spray just while I do my eye makeup. All of that can really set really well. And then yeah, so let's do this. Awesome, so great stuff. So I'm gonna get started. So in today's theme, guys, I wanted to focus on like a really nice bluish color. I'm not someone that likes to wear color, to be very honest with you. I like to keep it nice and neutral, browns, golds, and that's about it. But lately I've been really playing around with color. So today's theme is going to be all about blue, spring, and how we can make this sort of work. So in today's products, I'm going to be using these products down below. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm just going to play around with them and then just see, you know, how this look turns out. So let's begin. Okay, cool. So the very first step I'm going to go through with my LA Girl concealer. The same concealer I use under my eyes. Just something to cancel out any pigmentation that we don't want, because we really want that color to sit well on our face and on our eyes and to really pop, right? So I'm just going to put a little bit on like that. Then I'm just going to blend it with my blending brush, like almost like a kabuki brush. Very lightly, not too much. And now your eyeshadow has a base to sit on. So I'm going to start off obviously with a nice silver color, because you always want a light color first to start off with. So I'm going to go in with this really nice shimmer by MAC. This one comes in the color. It's called the Iridescent Powder. Well, Iridescent Powder, it's in loose, and it is Silver Dust. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with Silver Dust, spray my brush. I mean, I could go with gold, but I feel like blue will go really nice with silver. So I'm gonna go in with the inner corners right over there. Oh wow, it's really popping, I think because I sprayed it with the water. Just lightly. You want to actually dust this off because you don't want to make a mess on your whole entire face. Or it can get really, really messy. So I'm just going to put that on there like that. And as you can see, I've already made a mess. So I'm going to have to very quickly dust that off. Like that. Cool. So that color is sitting really pretty. It doesn't look too perfect. It's not well blended, but we don't have to worry about that quite as yet. The next color I'm going to go in with is this really pretty MAC pigmentation eyeshadow. This is called the Pigment Color Powder. This one is in color... I have no idea. Now, what color is this? I don't know what color this is, but I'm going to go in with it very quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna just quickly dab it in there. Oh jeez, like that. And then I haven't washed my makeup brushes, so now I'm gonna be mixing colors, which is not good, but I'm gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go in with a really nice, like sort of fluffy brush, right? Dip that in, tap that. In fact, because as you can see, the color isn't staying on the brush, right? So that's where it comes handy, where you spray your brush, right, with your mist, dip it into the eyeshadow. Oh gosh, I just made a mess. Dust that off. And then we're gonna go in. I'm gonna blend this right in the cut crease. Well, not in the cut crease, in the crease of my eye. This is gonna be the wash of color. So that's what we have for now. I think I put a bit too much, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. And then I'm going to go in with my... I've been dying to use this. I haven't used this ever. So I'm going to go in now with the Estee Lauder eyeshadow. This one is in the color... So pretty. This one is in the color Fire Sapphire. It's color number 12, Fire Sapphire Vivid Shine. I don't know, something like that. It looks like this. It's really brand new. I've had this for, I'm not even joking, for so many, like maybe 3 years. So I'm gonna go in with this color, guys, and yeah, see what happens next. Remember, again, we're gonna spray the brush. Then we're gonna go in. Wow, super really nice and pigmented, as you can see. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in right in the corners right there. Just the corner. We're not going to do the whole entire eye. So just the corner and then just mid halfway. You can even just flick it if you want to create a really nice cat eye. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect. You're just trying to get the color on there for now. Okay, cool guys, so this is what we have for now. This is looking super dramatic. It's giving me also like this really cool like high fashion vibe, right? So this is what we have. I'm gonna go back now with that really nice stunning blue that we started off with. Just very, very little of it. And then we want to just blend the lines there, just so it's not, we don't have any like harsh lines. So we want to just really blend that out. Go in with that. Blend that out. Try not to go too high. Then I'm going to go back again to that really stunning Estee Lauder color that we used over there, and just create some more depth and more color into that outer corner like that. Remember, you can always wet your brush if you want the color to pop even more. That's the magic of makeup. But also remember, when you play with makeup, you're not trying to like, you don't want the color to be too distracting, right? So it's all about just balance. So I'm going to go in for the last time with that really nice light blue that we worked with. Work it into that inner corner on the top there. It's giving me 80s vibes. 80s, they used a lot of color in their makeup. Just that corner in the inner corners. Lighter colors for eyeshadows normally always go in the inner corners of your eye, and the darker you go, the more outside that you do go. Cool guys, so this is what we have so far. It is a bit messy working with color. As you can see, I have all this deliciousness under my eyes, so that's going to be very tricky, but that's where the concealer comes in. Cool, so I'm going to move on. So before we go on to eyeliner and mascara and all that good stuff, I'm going to go back with that really nice shimmer that we used in the beginning by MAC, that really nice silver color. And then I'm going to just work that because it really got lost with all that blue. So I'm going to just go in with the inner corners, dab it in so that the color can really, stick on there. Inner corners. When you work with metallics and shimmers, you always want to wet your brush because that's when you really see the effect of that metallic effect really comes to life. It's always good to wet your brush, and that's what we have. Whoa! Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to go in now with my eyeliner. You guys know by now, or maybe you don't, but I really love my eyeliner. I always go for a really nice cat eye. That is my everyday look. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. I hope you guys can see. I think I'm going to use this mirror because it's closer. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. So next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I let go never lets me down. Just there. I need to wash my brushes. My brushes twice a week, so like on a Wednesday and on a Sunday as well. Twice a week is always good, especially if you're someone that wears makeup a lot like myself. I'm a makeup girl, loud and proud. And that's what it is. I love concealer. Concealer just really cleans up the look, finishes the look as well. Well, it doesn't really finish the look, but it like definitely cleans up the look, you know, and it makes everything just sort of come together. Okay, so concealer's done. I'm gonna go in with my setting translucent powder, just very lightly. I'm not gonna actually bake this powder. I actually just wanted to set the concealer. So I'm gonna go back and just remove it immediately because I don't want my skin to get too dry. Remember, it is spring, so we want healthy, glowy looking type of skin. We're not done. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go back again with that delicious silver color by MAC, just to bring in some sparkle and blush. The thing is, when you work with color on your eyes, you want to try and avoid using color on your cheeks because it becomes too dramatic. You want the focus to be on your eyes and not all over your face, right? So the blush, I'm going to keep it very, very light and simple. I'm going to go in with my shimmer for healthy glowing skin. But if you really want that shimmer to really do its magic, I always spray my face first, because then the powder has something to like sort of stick on, and because it's and also because it's metallic, it's a metallic color, it's gonna actually be more shimmery. I'm gonna play around as well because I used some silver in the middle. I'm gonna go in with that same silver color that we used, ever so lightly, and use it also onto there, onto my cheekbones, forehead. One of my favorite products lately is the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. It comes with the dark shade and the highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with that highlighter. I think it's in, I'm not sure, I think it's tan. It's really, really awesome, especially for under the eyes, just to brighten and also to mattify. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go in now. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. We're gonna finish off the look and then we'll see how this all turns out. I'll be right back.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
So I'm gonna quickly finish off this cool look. I'm so tired.